Guys, happy fiesta, La Purísima Concepción, Inmaculada La Purísima Concepción. Happy fiesta, happy fiesta, Abihao. So I'm happy to see my relatives, friends, and my neighbor, in my boarding house, in my house, because I'm watching my CCTV. So I'm very happy. So thank you so much for visiting my home sweet home. Okay, so guys, nag-work ako ngayon. So, ang bait ni madam. Bibigyan niya ako ng hamburger. And then yung McDonald's. French fries. Ayan. So, alam na kasi na, sinabi ko kasi na today is have festival in my home. So, that time I want to visit my home sweet home, but I cancel because something nagdadalawang isip ako, so I don't continue. Stop. So at least may kita ako. Kahit gumastos ako sa pista, pero meron akong income, diba? So, lang, sharing is caring. Share your blessing, then God will give you more, double what you have spent. Okay? Ganun lang ang life. Saan ko ba ito ilagay? Ayan. So, kain tayo, kain. Buhay abroad is ganito. Walang inarki dito. Okay? Mga ano kami dito, mga ruggeds. Pero kung minsan, paganda rin minsan. Pero kung napaganda rin minsan, nagugulat din sila. Thank you. Hello everyone, magandang hapon sa inyong lahat, and happy fiesta, Barangay Abihao, Viva La Purísima Concepción. I am now working here in our country, so I am happy today because my boss should give me some free McDonald's. And then double cheeseburger. Ganito mo kayo sa abroad. If you work hard, you earn money. So, okay. So, ayan. Kain tayo, guys. Saan yung mga lovable supporters? Where are you, my lovable supporters? Let's eat. Coca-Cola. Ang sarap ng lechon, guys. Ini hari. Sana yung mga where are you, my followers? I need to have, because I have a lot of things to do. Need to clean.
Yummy. Super yummy. Coca-Cola. Sino itong iba pa shoutout ko? Mamaya na ako manood sa aking CCTV coverage because I am very busy. I need to work first to earn extra money. Okay? So again, happy Pista, Barangay Abihaw, Viva La Purisima Concepcion. Hindi pa ako nakapag-post dahil I'm very busy today. So it's it. French fries. Unahin ko itong French fries kasi mamaya parang na itong bulak-bulak ng lasa. Babuti nilibre ako ng ng McDonald's. Pinabili ko siya ako. Ang sabi ng you want to eat? I said, yes, I want to eat. Don't shy if your employer asks you like this one. Because if you said no, she didn't ask you next time, no more next time. So okay, so just like that. Baru akong sabihin niyang bagaag na ang ano niya, oh. At least kung magsalita Chinese naman, hindi ko naintindihan. So, wala akong pake. Diba? Dalam to guys ng yellow. Ayoko ng yellow. Sinong wants me to shout out? Viva La Purisima Concepcion. Thank you so much guys for watching my videos, my content. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I need to be hurried to faster because I need to do some work. May sweldo na, may salary na, may hamburger pa, may McDonald's pa, di ba? I need to hurry kasi anong oras na. Ayan. Cheese. Double cake.